Welcome to this walk around video. Today we have got a 2021 Range Rover Sport HSE Dynamic Black. So you do get all the black exterior styling. It's finished in Santorini Black, being the metallic. And on this level of trim you do get the 22-inch 9 split spoke alloys as standard. The car has got the fixed side steps, of course rear privacy glass, and it does come with the optional sliding panoramic roof. The car's covered 60,000 miles from new and does come with a lovely Land Rover Specialist service history. Not quite full, but very good service history. Inside you've got the full ebony perforated Windsor leather with, of course, heated outer rear seats. You do have the Meridian surround sound system, so that is the 825 watts. In the front you do have 16-way heated and memory front seats, all in lovely condition. As you can see there, the sliding panoramic roof. You do also get the heated steering wheel with your cruise control functions. You do also have the interactive driver's display, which does display the navigation. Of course you have the Touch Pro Duo screens with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as your rear view camera. It does also have the front center refrigerator, as you can see there. With it being the black edition, you do also have the piano black inlays on the interior. If you do have any questions about this car, please do get in touch. The number is 01423 33 1133.